Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bowmaker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super simple breast cancer awareness wreath. So let's get started. So the first thing that we did was take our awareness wreath and wrapped it with a pink fabric. So it would be pink for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Now I'm going to put that aside and we're going to do a little hack that's kind of cool. If you have like a 10-inch wide mesh, but you want it to be a little bit wider, what I do here is we're just going to scrunch it in and scrunch it over. So we're going back and forth, and that's going to give some width and make it look kind of like a flower. And we'll go back. So all we're doing is going back and forth as we scrunch. So we'll put that in there, and I'm going to just roll this over and scrunch that down. Then what I'm going to do is I've already knotted the end of these tails. We're going to lay these down into our Bowdabra. And these are just really pretty scarves that I purchased at the dollar store. So I'm going to fold this one in half, and I'm going to come over here, and we're going to just come around and make a loop there, and we're going to come back over and make another loop here. Then I'm going to take my flowers and just lay them in. We'll put another flowers here, and we'll just lay everything into the Bowdabra. We'll just fold this back and forth, or lay them back and forth. Put that in there, and then kind of lay this down right in the middle there. Then I'm going to take my wand and give everything a push. But a really good hack is to go to the dollar store. I go to Dollar Tree and purchase scarves when they're in season, because you can use them in your wreaths and in your bows. So I'm just going to take this out here and separate the ends and bring it around to the back, and we're going to just tie a knot and double knot it. And now I'm going to start shaping this. So we'll shape this here and bring this around here. And what I'm going to do is take this around here, and now I'm going to tie it onto my wreath. And I'm just going to tie it onto the wreath by wrapping it around and taking my Bowdabra bow wire, and we'll just tie that and knot it. And then I'm going to shape out my bow. So we'll just bring this up, bring this here, bring out my lilies. And now I'm going to just knot the end of my scarf so it has a nice finished look. So we're just going to finish by knotting this last piece of the scarf, lay that down, and now you have this beautiful breast cancer awareness wreath. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.